What if I told you that 5 bodyweight exercises build more muscle than anything you'd find in a gym? And the science proves it. No equipment, no excuses, just results. Let me show you. Welcome to CleanBuilt, where we cut through the fitness myths and give you what actually works. I'm breaking down the 5 calisthenics exercises that outperform the weight room alternatives in pure muscle activation, joint health, and long-term gains. And I promise you, exercise 5 is going to change the way you train forever. Here's why this works. Calisthenics forces your muscles to control the entire body weight through a full range of motion. That means more muscle fibers recruited, more tension and more growth, compared to machines that lock you into a fixed path and remove half the work. Machines isolate, calisthenics integrates, and integrated movement builds more functional muscles. Now, here's the 5 exercises. Exercise 1. Pull-ups, the single best back builder on the planet. No lat pull-down machine even comes close. Why? Because you're moving your entire body weight through a vertical pulling pattern, and your stabilizer muscles have to fire the whole time. Every rep recruits your lats, your biceps, your rear delts, and your core. A lat pull-down only hits the primary movers. If you can't do 8 clean reps yet, start with band assisted and build up. Once you hit 12, add weight or switch to L-sit pull-ups. Progressive overload is how you keep growing, and pull-ups let you progress forever. Exercise 2. Dips. Forget the bench press. Dips hit your chest, triceps and front delts in one movement. And because you're controlling your descent, the eccentric phase is far longer than any bench variation. And eccentric loading is where muscle damage and growth happens most. One key detail. Your torso angle changes which muscle takes over. Lean forward slightly and your chest does more work. Stay upright and your triceps take the hit. Use both variations. Once bodyweight dips feel easy, add a dip belt or a backpack with weight. This movement scales to elite level. Exercise 3. Pike push-ups. This is your shoulder builder, and it beats the overhead press in one very important way. It loads the shoulder through a natural arc of movement, instead of a straight vertical bar path. That means less joint stress and more muscle activation. The progression on this is incredible. Start flat on the floor in a pike position. Move to elevated feet as you get stronger. Then wall handstand push-ups. Eventually, full freestanding handstand push-ups. That's elite shoulder strength, built with zero equipment. No overhead press gets you there. Exercise 4. Pistol squats. This is where most people say calisthenics can't train legs. They're completely wrong. A pistol squat requires more quad and glute activation than a barbell squat, because you're moving your entire body weight on one leg through a full range of motion while maintaining balance. If you weigh 80 kilograms, a pistol squat puts roughly 120 kilograms of load on one leg. That's not a beginner movement, but it's a goal worth training toward. Start with assisted pistol squats using a door frame, then progress to box pistols, then a full rep. Your legs will not be a weak point. Exercise 5. The muscle up. This is the king. No single gym exercise trains this many muscle groups in one movement. You pull, then you push. Back, biceps, chest, triceps, shoulders, and core, all firing in sequence. It's the most complete upper body compound movement in existence. The muscle up separates people who train from people who perform. It takes time to build, usually 3 to 6 months of consistent pull-up and dip training. But when you get it, you've built a body that looks and performs like a superhero. 5 exercises: pull-ups for back and biceps, dips for chest and triceps, pike push-ups for shoulders, pistol squats for legs, muscle up for everything. That's your no gym, no excuses muscle building program. If you're done wasting time on machines that give you half the results, subscribe to CleanBuilt. Every week we break down exactly what works, cut out everything that doesn't, and build you toward a body you're actually proud of. No myths, no gimmicks, just results. And drop a comment right now which of these 5 exercises surprised you most. See you in the next one.